The Vivo X80 Pro is set to be released on March 19, 2022. Vivo's expected price in USD is $879. Vivo, a smartphone manufacturer, is working on a new smartphones, according to rumors on the internet. The upcoming smartphone will be the Vivo X80 Pro, which will be the series flagship. Let's get into the details of the specification. The smartphone has a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset, which is the most powerful chipset available, and an Octa-Core processor inside the Vivo's X80 Pro to make the gadget incredibly speedy. Furthermore, this smartphone is equipped with a Mali G510 MC6 GPU. The smartphone's display screen measures 6.76 inches and offers a full HD and resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels to the user. The new Vivo X80 Pro comes with an LTPO AMOLED Capacitive Touchscreen display, which is the most recent and well known for its excellent performance. Vivo's impending new handset, the X80 Pro, will have a massive RAM capacity of 12 GB. The device's chipset and RAM size indicate that the user will be able to complete tasks with this smartphone in seconds. The Vivo Pro's internal storage space is 256 GB, which is sufficient for storing a large amount of data for future use. On the rear of the phone, there is a quad camera system is included. The Vivo X80 Pro's main sensor will be 50 megapixels, with 12 megapixels and 50 megapixels. The phone's selfie camera is 44 megapixels, which makes capturing selfies easier and more attractive. To secure the data on the cell phone, the smartphone incorporates an under-display optical fingerprint scanner that only allows the authorized user to use it. This phone is running on Android 12 operating system. Additionally, this smartphone has also include these feature support, which is 5G, dual SIM, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C, accelerometer, color spectrum, compass, gyro and proximity. The Vivo X80 Pro will be powered by a non-removable LTPO 4500 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging capability. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the bell button to be notified of new videos. Thank you for watching.